welcome to Darvanalee Design Studio. Today I've got another no-sew project for you, and these make gorgeous little gifts. We're going to be making a fat quarter lollipop essentially. You can do these into a bouquet or anything like that. I usually do these up for a little gift in our goodie bags for our retreat, so I thought today I would show you exactly how to make them. So you're going to need a few supplies. You might need some wonder clips, but not necessary. You're going to need some dressmaking pins, and dressmaking pins are basically just a small, long, thin pin with no ball or plastic bit on the end. So we need some of those, and I use my wonder clips to push them in when we're finished rolling our fat quarter up. You're going to need a couple of fat quarters. You're also going to need some cake pop sticks, and I'll leave a link down below where you can get these. I buy these in bulk because, as I said, I use these all the time for my sewing retreats, and they're a nice little cute gift. You're going to need some bag ties, and you're also going to need some cake pop plastic bags, and these you can get in bulk as well, all these items, and I'll put the links down below for you. Alrighty, so let's get started. So basically you're going to have your fat quarters. Now I've just grabbed a couple of fat quarters out of my stash, and basically all I do is I take my fat quarter, I fold it in half, then I bring it in one side in and then the next side in, and this is the longest side that I'm folding into the center, and then basically I just fold it back on itself. So sort of like if you were making a strap or anything like that for a handbag, it's the same principle. So once we've got that folded in, we've got our selvage end down this end here, and then we're going to take this nice folded edge and we're going to fold it up again. Now this is where you can use some wonder clips to hold it in place. I don't generally do that, but I'll show you what to do if you're struggling to keep it together. I just grab one wonder clip maybe and pop it there, and then I just smooth it all out and make sure that it's all laying nice and smooth, and then I can just pop a couple of wonder clips down the open end, and then we'll be ready to roll that up. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to take our selvage end and we're just going to fold that in and keep that as flat and as neat as possible, and then we're just going to start rolling. Now if you get a couple of creases, don't stress about it, they will go away. So you can see there was a little bit of a crease and it's starting to go away. So just as if you're rolling up a sleeping bag or something along those lines. So just keep rolling, trying to make sure that your edges are staying as even as possible. Remove the wonder clips as you're going, and you just have it nice and taut, pull it nice and tight. Super easy project to do, super cute for someone as a gift. You could even do it as a bouquet, like get one of those foam blocks that florists use, and then you could have it as a bouquet and give it as a special birthday gift or something like that to one of your quilting or sewing friends. And then once we get closer to the end, so you can see here we've just got a little bit of a tail, and you can see that it can go a little bit uneven, and you've got that raw edge there. So to conceal that, all we do is just fold that over and we get a nice folded edge, and then we just continue rolling, and you can see there that that gives us a nice clean edge. So now what we're going to do is we're going to grab two pins, and where that fold is, I'm just going to just go inside. So you can see there's a couple of folds. I'm going to push those all down and just have that top one open there, and then I'm just going to, on a diagonal, push the pin into the center, and then I just grab the wonder clip and just push that in, and then it's nice and concealed. And then we do that for the other end. So this end is where we had that nice folded edge, and basically all I do here is I just go between the two layers just like that, and then I just push that in, and it can be a little bit tricky to get it in, so just again use your wonder clip. I just use the flat end at the bottom or at the top, either way it's okay, and then that conceals in. So now that's all held together. So then we grab our little stick, and so you've got the nice folded edge here, so that is the top, and we're going to go to the bottom. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to put the stick in there, and then you're going to push it up, and you can see it's not coming out. So if it does come out, just go back out again and find a different spot to go in, and then that's going to keep that nice and secure. Then we just grab our little cake pop bag. And as I said, I will leave a link down below where you can get these. And we just pop that in all the way to the end. And then we just twist that plastic around. Grab one of our little ties that we've got here. And these are, you can get these in all different colours. So have a look around at the site that I give you with the links down below, and you'll find something there. And I just give it a twist like that. And then I split it and I go around to the other side. And for those that don't know, my name's Nicole Reid for Darvanalee Design Studio. Have fun making your fat quarter lollipops, everybody, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.